In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix microphone not working in Slack. Few things are more frustrating than joining a Slack huddle or voice call and realizing nobody can hear you. The good news is that in most cases, this is not a hardware failure. Usually, the issue comes from a blocked permission, the wrong microphone being selected, or a temporary system audio problem. We're going to walk through the most direct way to troubleshoot it so you can get your mic working again. Before jumping into Slack settings, do a very quick hardware check. Make sure your microphone or headset is not physically muted. Some headsets have a small toggle switch, an inline mute button on the cable, or even a keyboard shortcut that can disable the mic. If you're using a USB hub, it's also a good idea to unplug the microphone and connect it directly to your computer, since hubs can sometimes cause detection issues. Once that's done, open the Slack desktop app. In the bottom left corner of the sidebar, click your profile picture or avatar badge. From the menu that appears, choose Preferences. This is where Slack keeps its audio settings. Inside Preferences, click Audio and Video from the menu on the left. Then look for the microphone dropdown. Check which input device is currently selected. If it says default or built-in microphone, manually switch it to the microphone you actually want to use, such as your USB headset or external mic. This is important because Slack may be listening to the wrong device even if your computer detects the correct one. Next, test the microphone by speaking normally and watching the green input level bar just below the dropdown. If the green bar moves when you talk, that means Slack is receiving your audio correctly. In that case, the most likely problem is that you're muted inside the active huddle or call. Click the microphone icon in the huddle window or press M on your keyboard to unmute. If the input level bar stays gray and doesn't respond at all, the next step is to check your operating system's privacy permissions. On a Mac, click the Apple menu, open System Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and select Microphone. Find Slack in the list and make sure microphone access is turned on, then restart Slack. On Windows, open the Start menu, search for Microphone Privacy Settings, and open it. Make sure microphone access is enabled and confirm that desktop apps are allowed to access the microphone, with Slack authorized in the list. After making any permission changes, reopen Slack and test the input meter again. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.